SEI, accounting, journalizing, posting, analyze and write. It's financial accounting lessons. Come and learn how to do them right. Do the journal and the ledger. Understand the credit sides.
Start with our two major accounting process. These are the list of transactions that took place in the month of September. The first major accounting process is the Book of Original Entry or the General Journal. First thing to do is to write the date label. Under it is the year, month, and day that the transaction occurred. Then put the accurate account titles for each transaction with explanation. But wait, keep in mind that credit entries must be indented and not aligned with the debits, and the explanations are indented for easy identifications. Put the corresponding amounts on their respectful sides after it. On day 8, debit furniture and fixtures, credit cash, and credit accounts payable. Beside accounts payable, write the name of the supplier you owe the amount to be paid. Write the explanation for it. Furniture and fixtures is 50,000. And the cash and accounts payable is 25,000 because it is said both are of 50% of the total amount. Day 12 is not reportable since there is no exchange of values since it's still hiring. Day 15 is a debit of accounts receivable. Next to it, write the customer who owes from your business and credit service revenue for the delivery made. Write the respectful amounts for them, which is 20,000 debit credit. Day 16, debit accounts payable. Since the 50% unpaid amount for the furniture and fixtures purchase is given, and credit cash. Its amount is 25,000. Day 20, debit cash, since collection is made, and credit accounts receivable because customer already paid the business. A debit of 20,000 and a credit of 20,000. Next is day 27, debit of manual drawings and credit of cash for the owner's personal use, which amounted to 1,000. And for the last transaction for the month of September, debit salary expense and credit cash the amount is 3,750 since it is 15 days times the 250 pesos per day mentioned in day 12, which equals to 3,750 for the exact amount.
Alright, after we have interpreted those transactions to our journal, we'll now proceed to posting, also known as the general ledger. It is a summary of all amounts entered in the supporting journals. In addition, this has two parts, the debit side on the left and the credit side on the right, where every part has a date to know when was the transactions occurred, a particular for the explanations, a folio for the journal page where you got those transactions and the debit and the credit sides. Looking back at the journal that we have done, we can see that on September 1, there was a debit entry on owner's investment amounting to 200,000. Just a reminder that every transaction that we will encode here can all be seen in the page 1 of our journal. That is why, therefore, you are all in J1. September 8 was listed on the credit side because there was a purchase happened, amounting to 25,000. September 16, paid in Kuwait in full, crediting our cash 25,000. On September 20, there was a collection of payment from National Bookstore worth 20,000. On September 27, owner's drawing or withdrawal was made, amounting to 1,000. Last transaction in cash ledger was the salaries expense, costing 3,750. After listing the transactions, you need to get the sum of all debits and credits, after which their sum will be subtracted from each other. The answer will be posted to the side that has higher amount. Never forget to double-line it. On September 15, billed National Bookstore for the service rendered, amounting to 20,000. On September 20, collected payment from National Bookstore. The amount is 20,000. Furniture and Fixture Ledger, September 8, purchase Furniture and Fixture, J1, 50,000, with the ending balance of 50,000. Accounts Payable Ledger, on September 8, purchase Furniture and Fixture amounting to 25,000. September 16, pay the accounts in Kuwait in full, with the ending balance of 0. On Manuel Capital Ledger, transaction on September 1 was posted in credit side because there was an owner's investment. The amount is 200,000. Don't forget to double-line it, for it indicates the grand total. Manuel Drawing Ledger, September 27, particulars, owner's drawing, folio, still J1, amount is 1,000. Bring down the 1,000, then double-line it. Service Revenue Ledger, on September 15, National Bookstore was billed for the delivery made. The amount is 20,000, still is its ending balance. The final transaction that we will put in the ledger is the salaries and expense. This occurred on September 31, paid salaries, amounting to 3,750. Bring down the amount, then double-line it.
Just a disclaimer, this video is only for academic purposes. We hope that you, our beloved viewers, learn from our presentation on journalizing and posting. I'm Alyssa Kaye, Madlangbayan.
I'm Maurizia Lerma
From BSA 18, signing off.